On a warm and sunny afternoon, Moki and Puffy were playing in their favorite meadow. They were laughing and having fun when suddenly Mia came along. Sometimes Mia made jokes without thinking about other people's feelings. She looked at Moki and started to laugh. "Look at Moki. His tail looks like a messy brush. Ha ha, you look so silly today." Moki gave a small, sad smile and answered kindly. "Mia, I don't like it when you say things that make me feel sad. Please stop." But Mia kept laughing and joking. "Haha, and your ears look so funny. I bet you could fly like a butterfly with them." Moki felt his little heart shrinking. He didn't know what else to say, so he looked at Puffy. Puffy came closer and whispered gently. "Moki, if someone won't stop when you ask them to, it's okay to walk away and tell a grown-up or someone you trust. Let's step away together." Moki nodded with a thankful look. The two friends quietly walked away from Mia, leaving her alone in the meadow. "What do we do now?" Moki asked in a small voice. Puffy looked at him warmly and said with his wise, soothing voice, "We'll tell Luna, the kind little cat. She always knows how to help." Together, they went to Luna, who listened to them carefully and kindly. "You did the right thing by coming to me," said Luna. "Mia will soon understand that her jokes are hurting her friend's feelings." Later on, Luna spoke to Mia about how Moki had felt when the teasing didn't stop. Mia realized she had gone too far and made her friend feel sad. Her heart felt heavy as she went to Moki and said softly, "Moki, I'm sorry I didn't stop when you asked me. Now I understand that my jokes hurt you. Can you forgive me?" Moki, feeling stronger and more confident, answered gently, "I forgive you, Mia, but it's important to stop when someone says stop." Puffy looked at them with his warm smile and said wisely, "Today we learned that when someone doesn't stop, we always have the right to walk away and ask for help. That's how we protect our feelings and keep our hearts calm and happy." The three friends sat together under the soft sunshine, now understanding how special kind words are and how important it is to respect each other's boundaries. And that evening, under a peaceful, starry sky, Moki fell asleep happily next to his friends, knowing he was safe and always loved.